Hi guys, I'm Rita. In today's episode, I will show you how you can manage your bank rules if you have set up those. So we need to go to banking. And if you have set up bank rules under a particular bank, for example, in my case, I have my bank account business, click on actions and there is manage bank rules. So in my case, I have two bank rules. So either we can create a completely new rule, or we can actually amend if required by clicking on that particular bank rule, and we can change information. For example, if bank fees have increased to £12, that's a place where we will amend. Also, if a ledger account may be changed, if you have decided to split bank charges and bank interest separately, then this is a place where you can come and update this information. So this is a way how you can manage your set bank rules on Sage Accounting software. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared my full and complete Sage tutorial in the description section below.